Alright guys, this is a 2008 Scion XB. I want to show you guys how to remove the fender. Okay, now it takes a 10mm to remove the fender. Alright, so you have a bolt between here. It's a 10mm. It's right there. Okay, best way to get to that is to pop this tray loose. Okay, you're gonna have to take the windshield wipers off to be able to get it, but it's one here. You can see that down in there. It's one 10mm there. It's one right here at the top. It's one right here, which is two. And also take this one out. The headlight is actually attached to the fender. Once you take the bumper off, you have to take this bumper bracket off. There are two behind here. Once you take this off, there's two more 10mm here. You will have to take all of the splash shield plastic out of the fender, and this little black piece back here, you just take it and just pull it off. It just pulls off. Okay, it pops back in once you put the fender back on. It's a hole in the fender right here, and this push pin pushes this into the fender. Okay, and then down here, this little plug right here pops out. That holds it at the bottom, this plastic. Behind there is one 10mm screw. So it's one back there. And then when you open the door, there's another one. Where is it? Oh, here it is, right here at the top. Okay, so that's one in between the door jamb. Two up here. This part right here, this black piece, you don't have to take off. It's actually on the fender itself. Okay, so 2, 3, 4. And also take this one out. The headlight is actually attached to the fender. Behind this bumper bracket, 5, 6. The one behind this door jamb guard, that's 7. And then it is one more up under the bottom, up under here. You have to take out this screw right here, which is another 10mm, 8, and then you have to take out these last two right here, which is 9 and 10. So altogether there are 10 10mm screws holding in the fender, and after that the fender will just come off. So guys, that's how you remove the fender from a 2008 Toyota Scion XB. You don't have to take the bumper off. You can just pop the bumper loose here and take the screws halfway out on this side and pull the side off if you would like. You don't have to take the whole bumper off. I do have a video that shows you how to take the bumper off, so check that out. And that's it guys. 10 10mm screws that hold in the fender, and that's where they all are. Now remember, you do have to take off all that black plastic in here, okay? That splash guard. So you got screws that are going to be on this fender. You got to take that off too. All right, this is J.O.A.T.D, and I'm out.